Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 civics chapter 8 is short in the market. Viewers, I hope you are liking the videos, and if you want to watch more such videos you can get the link of playlist in the description box as well as in the end of the video. Viewers, I also want to know what more you want to watch on this channel, so please comment in the comment section and tell me what do you want to watch. Let's start today's video. First question is, a chain of dash links the producer of cotton to the buyer of the shirt in the supermarket. Answer is markets. A chain of markets links producer to the buyer of the finished product. Next question is, in dash system, the merchant supplies the raw material and receives the finished product. Answer is putting out system. In putting out system, merchant supplies raw material to weaver and receive finished product. Next question is, weavers are paid dash by the merchant under the putting out system. Answer is very little. Weavers are paid very little by the merchant in this system. Next question is, weavers cooperatives are the one way to reduce the dash of the weaver on the merchant and to earn a higher income for weaver. Answer is dependence. Weavers cooperatives helps weavers to reduce the dependence on merchant. Next question is, in a cooperative, people with dash interest come together and work for their mutual interest. Answer is common. In cooperatives, people with common interest come together and work for mutual interest. Next question is, at times the dash helps the cooperatives by buying clothes from them at reasonable price. Answer is government. Government helps cooperatives by buying clothes from them at reasonable price. Next question is, the foreign business persons made dash profits in the market. Answer is use. Foreign business persons made use profits from the market. Next question is, the small cotton farmer and the weaver at Erode market put in long hours of hard work but did not get dash price in the market for what they produce. Answer is fair. They did not get fair price for their hard work. On the other hand, merchants and uh, business persons earn more. Next question is, the merchants or traders earned dash compared to the weavers. Answer is more. They earn more. They make more profit than weavers. Next question is, it is usually rich and powerful that get the dash earnings from the markets. Answer is maximum. Usually rich and powerful persons get maximum earnings from the markets as compared to the poor people who work much more than the rich people. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, and do subscribe the channel press the bell icon so that you can get the link